So it's kind of a a really ironic turn of events, and I could see where maybe you might not be able to put it on the website, but you could do other things. You could export the data and run separate campaigns. You could use it to receive their Facebook Messenger leads, and those kind of things, right? I think without getting into any trouble with the factory because they really wouldn't even know about it.
Yes, sir.
So, and those are all, and the reason people don't do more Facebook leads is because they really don't have anybody there to answer them. And
That's right.
a Facebook lead, it's in the moment. And if you don't answer it in the moment, you just completely wasted your spend. So I'm cataloging these things like I could see this for Facebook leads, some Google My Business things where we don't have to ask anybody permission.